if you invest in a data center, like for instance, like in enterprise colocation, so we have invested like, in an asset in the UK called Datum, and we have acquired like a first site in Farnborough near London. The following
Mm-hmm.
year, we acquired like another company in Manchester where we merged it. We are also building data centers, and we built one which is operating since this summer. We are building another one near Farnborough. So, I mean, here we're doing what we call probably a value add, I would say, strategy, because we acquire like a first asset, we kind of develop it, we create some value by probably buying like some asset at a lower multiple, merging in with an existing entity, and hopefully the combination of both will help to create value, but also to create scale in order like at the point when we're going to exit. We have built like another company. So that's kind of the purpose. So, I mean, when we kind of raise our third fund, I mean, we have like a core plus strategy. But at the end of the day, we started with a kind of core plus investment, having in mind that we could do the value add strategy because we have identified the right growth avenues. Now it's a question of creating this value, implementing this business plan in order like to get the extra returns that you were targeting. And that's kind of why we are being paid by investors. They pay fees, management fees, in order for us to create this value. So we're not going to be shy to create this value if we think it makes sense, and you have like kind of always in mind this kind of defensive case that you're not going to lose your shirt, for instance. For instance, like to add to this kind of data center example, I mean, managed services, which is more like a techie part of the data center, is not something that you would consider for investors. It's more a P play. Having said that, I mean, there are some kind of, I would say, more techie, I would say, pieces of the data center which will help to retain some clients because you offer them now other services in order like to limit the churn, so the fact that they may leave, and in order like, to protect your infra investment. So you need to have like some kind of common sense and kind of judgment here. Try to see like maybe I will go like on more on the service part, which is not my field, in order to be able like to protect, I would say, my infra investments.